Downstairs, ha? Put it down. Yan, like that lang. Ah, yan.
Tapos, punta ka doon yan. Palambitin ko mo.
Let it go down. Yan.
Pabayaan
Hold
niyo
it,
daw.
hold it properly. Yan.
Malayo
give it.
kasi
Let-
siya.
let him go down.
Dapat malapit.
Lapit daw.
There you go. Ay, nahulog.
O, picturean ko eh, ma'am. Kasama kayo doon. Dapat yung ano.
So, okay na yung video. Wag mo lang lahat.
Yes, sir. Okay po eh.
Here, Lily. Lily. Where's it down? Tagalin mo dyan yung nakakita mo.
What's the difference between what? How did the bear cat got its name?
Wow.
How did the bear cat get its name?
Looks like a bear.
Baba, baba.